Welcome to today. Today we're going to look at the concept of energy transformation. The first law of thermodynamics tells us that energy is neither created nor destroyed, it's just transferred or changed. And so you're going to learn about potential and kinetic energy. So for example, if I have a can of pineapple here and it is just sitting down on the ground, it has low potential energy. But if I were to raise it up high, it has high potential energy because of the distance that it would travel if it were to fall. And when I drop it, it transforms the potential energy into kinetic energy. Now, the activity that you're going to be doing with this, along with the readings and the videos, is you'll be creating what's called a Rube Goldberg machine. And these are awesome. And I have a very simple one that I set up right here. And I did this in like 5 minutes in my kitchen, but I really encourage you to go much more detailed and extravagant than mine. I just wanted to show you how easily it can be created. You're gonna create your own Rube Goldberg machines. And so there will be some videos that you can watch to learn how to do them and also see some really cool ones. This particular assignment, you're gonna either create a video and upload the video of you putting your machine into practice or demonstrating your machine, or you will take pictures and then do a slideshow, but video is much preferred. So I'm gonna turn this camera around. Let's see if we can see right here. So what I have is just a pan. It's suspended on a little step there. Some cutting boards right here to guide this here can, as well as right here, there we go, a spoon with one of those needle pillow things that you stick needles in. So here we go, let's give it a test and we'll see if I can get the video on just right. Here we go. And there it is, the energy transferred from potential energy up here into kinetic energy, okay? And then again from potential energy to kinetic energy, transferring it here and launching the, you know what, I realized that I'm pointing at my face. So from here, potential energy down to the spoon and transferring the energy once again. So do your learning, learn all about Rube Goldberg machines, create yours and start uploading them. I look forward to seeing yours. Have a good day.